Good morning, dear children. In the lesson, Our Body, we have learned how different organs and organ systems work. But did you know what happened one day? Listen. One day, the various parts of the body, including the brain, the legs, the lungs, and many more, got together to discuss their role and what they thought about their contribution towards the body. But the body parts were all unhappy and resentful for various reasons. Heart said, I pump blood to all parts of the body. I have to work day and night, even when you are sleeping comfortably. Lungs said, we too have to work day and night to bring fresh oxygen and throw out the carbon dioxide. Kidney said in unison, we work so hard to rid the body of waste. Hands said, we are the ones who collect food and bring it to the mouth. What do we get in return? Just a little touch of the food. Legs said, we have to stand long hours, walk around and take you all to places. What do we get in return? Absolutely nothing. I said, I see what you're trying to say. We get to see the yummy food only for a fraction of a second. Then it's all gone to the stomach. Nose said, I am in charge of quality control. Without me, stomach would not know what's good or bad. Tongue and teeth said, we chew and grind the food for this stomach. But what do we get? Just a little taste. And soon it's all gone to the stomach. It's the stomach who gets all the nourishment, all the pleasures, and all the enjoyment. He doesn't even know how much we are doing for him. And what does he do? He just spends his time lazily consuming the food and allowing all members to do the rest of the work. So, they decided to go on a strike and not work for the stomach anymore. Strike, strike, strike. The body parts continued their strike for 3 long days, refusing to provide any food to the stomach. But guess what? They themselves started feeling tired and unable to do any work. The legs were not able to walk. The hands felt weak. The tongue felt dry. The heart could not pump with as much force. But they all saw that the stomach was doing just fine and was not much affected by this strike. So the body parts called for another meeting and finally agreed to call off the strike. They realized that in order for them to function properly, the stomach is the one who is digesting and giving all the nutrition to the rest of the body so that each body part is able to function properly. They called off the strike. Legs ran to bring the food. Hands quickly put it into the mouth. The tongue and teeth chewed and swallowed the food as quickly as possible. The stomach started working to digest the food so that all parts would get the much required nutrition as soon as possible. They realized that it is not one individual organ that is important. Why? Don't you realize the importance of your little finger when it gets hurt? So children, always remember that a system is greater than some of its individual subparts. In a family and in the society at large, all individuals are important. We all have a duty to fulfill. Only then we can make ourselves and our nation successful. So, I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.